Hey Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. By the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these really nice finger coils, and I use products from Uniqurl to achieve this look. So if you guys would like to see how my results turned out and how I installed them, then continue watching. And I actually achieved this style on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I use products from Krown to wash and condition my hair, and I'm going to put a link in my description box down below of a full wash day of me using Krown products, so you can see my review on the products in case you were interested in knowing how Krown products work on my hair. And if you're interested in purchasing any Krown products, I have a discount code in my description box down below. Hey y'all, as you all can see, the back two sections of my hair are already coiled, but honestly I was learning as I was going, so the back section, the coils are kind of poofy and they don't really look neat, and I actually had to redo a lot of the ones in the back because they did look so messy. But some of them in the back did turn out right and I didn't have to redo them. But on the top two sections, I'm starting off with spraying my hair with my spray bottle of water, making sure that I get my hair nice and saturated. And then I go in with the Uniqurl Daily Moisturizing Leave-In Spray. And y'all, I absolutely love the leave-in spray. It really helps my hair get soft and it helps my hair get detangled. And then after I spray my hair with the leave-in, I'm using the 4-in-1 styler from Uniqurl. And this is about how much I'm using for one section. And if my hair did start getting dry, I started to use a little bit more of the 4-in-1 styler. And the 4-in-1 styler is made from aloe and coconut, and it's a leave-in, detangler, a curl cream, and a moisturizer, and it comes in 8 fluid ounces. And once I worked the product through my hair from my roots to my ends, as well as finger detangling my hair, I go in with the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil Gel. And I more so worked the gel starting from my roots, making sure my roots were nice and covered with the gel, as well as my ends, and then I worked the gel down the length of my hair. And before I started coiling my hair, I used my Tangle Teaser brush just to detangle my hair and to make sure that my hair was nice and smooth. And as you can see right here, I'm twisting my hair as I go down the length of my hair, and then I'm wrapping my fingers around my hair just to make sure that I have a nice tight coil at my roots. And once I get to my ends, I like to wrap my hair around my fingers once more just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth and to make sure that my hair doesn't come loose. And this is what the coil looked like after I was done. It was nice, tight, and curly, and y'all, I love how curly my hair is at the ends. Before I actually start rolling my fingers around my hair, I twist my hair until I get maybe to like the middle of my hair, or like close to my middle of my hair, and then I begin wrapping the ends, and then the middle of my hair I wrap my hair with my fingers. And it's kind of hard to explain, you kind of just have to watch it to really understand what I'm saying, but I do that same process all throughout my hair. I twist at the root to make sure that my root is nice and tight and that it doesn't come loose, and then when I get to like the middle or close to my middle of my hair, I then wrap my fingers around my hair. And then when I get to my ends, I continue this same motion that I'm doing right now. I wrap my fingers around my hair, and then I continue to go down the length of my hair, rolling my fingers with my hands just to ensure that my coil stays nice and tight. Hey you guys, so today is actually 2 days later after that previous clip that I showed you guys, and I had to work, so I couldn't finish my hair, so I had to postpone recording this video until I had an off day. But this is what my hair looks like, and I slept with this loose part of my hair in a bun, and then I banded the back of my hair that I already have finger coiled. And once I finish the top 2 sections of my hair, I'm also going to band them just so that I can get some elongation on my hair. And what I like to do is I like to take a medium size section, not too small, not too big, and I clip the rest of my hair away. And I get my spray bottle starting from my ends and just spraying up to the roots, making sure all of my hair is nice and saturated. And then I'm going in with the Uniqurl Daily Moisturizing Leave-In Spray. And y'all, I really like this because it definitely helps me with detangling my hair, and it helps my hair become soft before I apply my cream and gel. And I like to finger detangle my hair just before I use my wide tooth comb. Alright you guys, so this is my 4-in-1 styler that I'm going to be using on my hair. And I take about this much of the 4-in-1 styler. And now I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. And y'all, this is almost empty, so I wanted to use the rest of this before I start on my new jar. And I honestly want to get like a wet line extreme gel because I heard so many good things about it, and I definitely want to try it out on my hair to see if it gives me some really good hold. And I'm making sure to focus the gel on my roots. And then I take the gel down the length of my hair. And then I also make sure to coat my ends with the gel. And now I'm going to take my tangle teaser, and then I'm going to start from my ends, working my way up. And do y'all see how easy it is for me to just glide my brush right through my hair? And since my hair is pretty long, I like to wrap my hand around my hair so that I can get a tight grip at the root. And it's just a repetitive process of me rolling my fingers around my hair so that the roots of my hair can be nice and tight and so that it won't come loose. And y'all, when I was doing this on the back section, it was kind of hard for me at first because this is my first time doing it. So when I continued to wrap my finger around it, some of my hair just would not stay tight, and the coils were starting to unravel, and I had to keep doing it. So when I show my final results of my whole head, you'll see that the back section I did kind of bigger, and you'll also see that the back of my hair was already unraveling. Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I do the front section. And since this section is kind of thinner, I'm going to do the finger coil this size, and I'm going to twist it at first at the root, and then I'm going to go a little ways down, and then I'm going to use my tangle teaser to make sure that the length of my hair is nice and detangled, and then I'm going to continue to twist the coil. Once I get closer to my ends, I'm going to use my tangle teaser once again. And I'm going to continue to twist the ends, and then I'm going to twist all of my hair at the root just to make sure that the coil stays nice and tight. And once again, I hold like the middle of my coil, and then I wrap my finger around the rest of my hair just to keep that nice coil nice and tight. Hey y'all, so today is actually the next day. Yesterday my battery died, so I wasn't actually able to show you guys me finishing the top 2 sections of my hair, and I wasn't able to show you guys my final results. But y'all, the right side of my hair turned out so cute, and my coils aren't really coming loose. Some places they are a little bit, but other than that, a lot of them are nice and tight and they look neat. But the left side of my head is a complete different story because a lot of the coils started coming loose, as you guys see right here. And I'm kind of nervous to unravel my hair because I don't know how my results will look. And even though this really isn't a successful finger coil, I at least wanted to show you guys my first attempt of it. And unfortunately, all of our styles won't be able to turn out how we want it. So we just have to like manipulate our hair enough to have it at least look decent before our next wash day. And yeah, so I just wanted to, like I said, show you guys my final results. And I also want to show you guys a 360 of my hair. So this is the front. And y'all, my roots are kind of poofy. I tried to do them tight at the root, but I guess they just started unraveling and doing their own thing. But since I'm not unraveling it like in the next few days, I'm probably going to wear this style as a ponytail or a half up, half down, or maybe even like a low ponytail. And I almost forgot to mention, for some of you guys who are kind of new on my channel and you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen so you guys can keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube. And I also wanted to tell you guys too that I started my own business where I sell lashes and bangles, and I actually make the bangles handmade. And I'm going to put my business Instagram on the screen as well. So with that being said, I'm done talking and I'm going to end this video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Y'all, it's hot. Excuse me, but y'all. Ooh, child. Let me open the window.